Good morning, everyone. Today is the 1st of February 2017, fresh month. Sitting on my hands here, waiting for the market to open and unfold, which is in about about 6 minutes or so. News looks like ADP is a little way above expected, I guess, and so you got this all inventory today. I think really is probably more important. So this certainly will cause a knee-jerk reaction. But I'm reading the price action so far. Everything seems like it's getting bought up. Um, so every time it tries to dip, that's actually the opportunity to buy, and then I guess flip it higher. So, but for me right now, risk reward is certainly not there. I'm looking at price action here, and it might start testing yesterday's highs, which is 53.57, and looking at a level at 53.60ish, 70ish maybe, 53.70. So I got a level right here that I'm kind of watching, um, right there. So right now, I think I'm just gonna sit on my hands and wait for things to unfold. I'll be right back. So one thing that I gotta mention is that right now this is the dollar price action right here. As you can see, I highlighted this area yesterday, cracked below that. So I'm thinking there's gonna be a momentary bounce, but right now the dollar is downtrending. So I'm still expecting this thing, even though I I don't know how many times I cried about this $53. It's like natural level for support, but it kind of dipped lower than that. And now didn't spend very much down below that. Now it's trading above it again. So there's a good chance today would be being a Wednesday, and if you anticipate this secondary day move, that it'll start testing these highs right here. So really, I shouldn't really be looking at these levels. I mean, this level right here, but rather all these highs. So as you can see, um, it kept getting rejected there. So if this thing busts through the upside, then you're really going to be looking the test of 56.16 if that happens. So then again, it's not friendly. This is a daily chart, so you don't buy the breakout, because there's a good chance it might retrace and then find buyers there and then go back up. So as I mentioned yesterday, this level might get tested, and see where it's retracing now. So anyways, that would be a pretty good. Right now it's a 10. That would be a 10-point move at the moment, as where it is right now. So anyways, I'll just pause the video for now, wait for things to unfold, and I'll come right back. Okay, guys, just want to give you a quick update on this trade. Wasn't sure why I was fading this, so I got to be a little bit more protective. I just did not expect this candle. I thought it was going to sell off just the way it did, but I faded the move. I entered right here, so we'll see. If anything, worst case, I'll probably just take let's see, 10 ticks if I can. So it'll be right here. So in case I have buyers right here, I'm gonna watch for buyers. So I might even get out beforehand. So 22. So in case I got buyers here, I'm gonna watch it. I'll watch it pretty good. Actually, see if I can sell when I'll go ahead and put an order there, 10 ticks, and then I'll trail the other one for a good win here. Today is one of those days you just have to take profits when you can, just because of chart. If you look at the daily, the chart is so tight, and so this could go in either direction, and market is going to report here in about, you see how it's getting just bought up, like this level right here. There's going to be some buying here. I just I really don't know exactly what direction that is. So now, is it possible this thing shoot up and then just, it's one of those death spirals, I think is what I call it. It's one of those things, just pop, makes you think like it's going to reverse, and then it just gets taken down. So you see, that was this is exactly what I was talking about. So pretty good. It's not so bad. So is this thing gonna keep sliding down? I am truly hoping so, because right now I'm just really want, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, see, there's buyers there. I knew it. So I'm gonna protect myself here and at least trail the other one just in case. See, exactly. It's just a retracement. So you have buyers here. So you know, and this is what I'm saying with price action. It's like you could you could discern price movement by just looking at charts, right? So you could see this thing got sold off massively and suddenly just reverse on you, almost, the whole entire candle, almost 100%. But see, you gotta take out all my stuff there. So, and so you can expect the same, right? Because the market has memory. So if you got that kind of response at this price level or price location, then you could certainly measure risk reward there. I just wasn't sure. That's not the kind of signal that I look for. But at least I'm protecting myself here. So see, that's about. Oh no, I used the wrong one. So if we just kind of play around with this idea of risk reward, that's 2 to 1, right? Because you got, say if you entered 100, that's 100, 200, so that's 3 to 1 it's offering you. So that's why somebody's taking a chance on buying right here at the very low when it looks like it's going to break down. So no, there's no rocket genius. I mean, that's, like I said, I've been kind of preaching about this um, risk reward idea. So that's one measure to kind of gauge, when to take your risk, right? And then this thing could possibly take the 40. So now, would I take 40 onto the upside? I mean, would I take the trade right there? Because now I'm so confident it'll go to 40. Actually, there's no confidence. Look, I don't know how you can build a confidence on sideways action. You see what I'm saying? Like, so this one is just really playing on this 53.40, 53.16 range. So it's hard to build confidence in that. You want to put on a trade, then buy it right now. And then just put the stop like at 25 and see what happens. But I need something more concrete than that. Actually, this thing has a. Let's see if I do the math correctly here. Let's see. Let's look at the math here. 53.84. It's kind of where I can see this thing reversing at 53.84. Just kind of measuring the moves. So far, first trade, the winner. Can't complain. Certainly not gonna cry about it. But right now, sideways action. I think what's gonna really jerk this around is that Wednesday, 9:30 inventory news. So I think that's what's really gonna drive this price action. So Yeah, I'm getting tempted. I might take this at like a 34 or something and see. This is probably a good idea to take a breakout. So, alright, well, I'll pause the video. I'm just kind of babbling here. Okay, guys, I'm still waiting. I was hoping someone throw a bone here and put a huge contract market bid on this one, but as you can see, it's very sluggish to the upside, even though it's slowly climbing. So, and I kind of sort of seen this price action before, to where it's uh, it's kind of a bullish move, but it's wanting to shake you out and takes its time to just kind of climb up. Um, so today would not be a good day to play some kind of breakup, even though right now it looks like the price is very bullish. So, and I got a feeling you got all these stops sitting right there, so I might just participate into people getting stopped out, and I'm watching the ask side, and you can see you got a couple of offers right here that are in a bigger size, and you can see you only have one small digit right here that's putting out a 118 bid at 30. So now it's dropped out. It's like at 88 now. So, anyways, it's very sluggish this morning. I think I might have to switch to a higher time frame here, just because, so I can skip all this noise. Anyhow, I'm just gonna sit on my hands, and I got some work to do anyways, other work to do. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna watch. I'll be back. Okay, guys. Right now, just from my personal judgment here, it looks like price is so tight. It's not really a clear directional move of where the price is going. As you can see, I mean, the market's literally buying the low, and then it's, tries to sell the high, right? So, um, and like I said, this, the bid and ask on the on the dome could be like a deceiving way if you just read it by itself. So you have to also incorporate the incorporate your incorporate the tape. Just you got to read what's coming out of the tape. Um, and of course, as soon as I say that, it'll just shoot back up. But I think I think this is all I can handle with all this side action. This is not a profitable trade, or at least price pattern for me. So really, my goal this year is to just cut the price action that I don't really understand. So, and that's kind of one of the moments right now. I just really don't understand, the sideways movement. So I'm gonna call it a day. Be happy. It's green. So until then, this brought me back to positive for the week. It's Wednesday, so I got 2 more days to trade. Um, until then, I appreciate you taking the time, smashing that like button if you're learning something out of this price action here. So today, just I'm gonna I'm just gonna quit today. Just wanted to put a video out there. Alright, guys, take it easy. Have a good one. I'll see you on the next video.